Now here on the computer screen, you see I have got some shapes. You have got some finished shapes over here on top, and you have got some shapes at the bottom. Okay. So let me just close this one first before I discuss. So now I want to finish these shapes. What I need now, I need to draw a line over here, tangent, and I need to draw a line tangent over here. Okay. How do I do it? I just can't go and click here, and I just can't go close to it and draw like this. Okay. Maybe I may hit the right answer, or maybe I may not hit the right answer. Let me just zoom it and see. Now see, you can already see it here. It is not at all tangent. See here, it is not tangent. Similarly, if you come and see here, it is not tangent. So let me delete it first. Okay. So now what I should do now, I need to draw a line tangent. There is a way out. So I will take the line command. I will take the line command, click on the line command, then come here in my model space. I will press Shift, then I will press my right mouse button. See here, when I press Shift, I am pressing and holding it. Now you can see here you have got a drop down menu which shows you so many things: temporary tracking point, midpoint, snap, see here, end point, midpoint, intersection, everything it is telling. It is having a tangent here. I will click on this tangent, then I will go here very close. Now you see there is a sign showing me tangent. I will click on that one. Now again I come this side. Again I have to press Shift, right click, again I have to say tangent. Where is tangent? Tangent is here. I will say tangent and I will come over here and I will click on this one and then enter, either enter or escape. Again line command, just go down over here, Shift, and then line command, and then I will just Shift and right click the mouse button and then see where is tangent. Tangent is here. Just come and hold here. Then again see, nothing is happening. Again I have to do what? Right click and tangent. I am keeping the Shift key pressed. Okay. Now enter. Now similarly for this one, what I should do? Again I will take line command, go nearby it, nothing is happening. I will press Shift, then right click the mouse button, then I have got end point. See here, end point is there. I will take this end point, come here. Now see, the shape has changed. It is becoming a small green color rectangle. In the previous case it was like a circle. I will click on this. Now I will come here, nothing is happening. Again right click, end point. Now again see here, click, enter. So what has happened now? I have finished the triangle. Now similarly, what you have got over here, I have to finish this line, isn't it? I will just go and click on the line command, come close to this point. I will press Shift, then right click. I will take end point. I will take end point. The moment I cross more than half, I will cross and go here. So now again what I will do, I will right click the mouse button, I will press an end point. See here, the moment I come more than half close to it, see here, I get it. Click on this one, enter. Now I need to draw another line. So this horizontal line, this is at the middle point. Okay, I will go take line command and then again come here near this line, press Shift key on your keyboard. Now right click the mouse button. Where is the midpoint? Midpoint is here. Just take the midpoint. See here, it is looking like a triangle now. Press here and then just draw it horizontally. I want to draw it horizontally. Just remove the Shift key and just press anywhere, enter. So this is the way OSNAP works. Is this clear? This is the way OSNAP works. There is another way of using this OSNAP, that is called as running object snap. OSNAP means object snap. How do I do that? Now see, pressing the Shift key, holding it, moving it around, and then again pressing, holding and selecting, it's very tedious when you have got lot of work to do. Is this clear? So in such situations, what we will do, we can just see over here at the bottom in our status bar. Status bar is the bottom bar. Here you can see, if I come here, see there object snap turned off. If it is not there, what you should do, you should go to the customize menu. Here you have to click the tick. So it is already there here. So I will just go and click on this one. See here, when I click on this one, it has become blue color now. Okay, there is a small arrow also. If I click on this arrow, I can see whatever things I want, I can select it. Running object snap we call it. Okay, see already what is selected, midpoint is selected. What I will do, I will select end point and I will select tangent. Okay, so when I have selected all these things, what will happen whenever I find, let me just copy these items. Of course, about copy command and other stuff I will teach you later. That is possibly in the next video I will teach you. Okay, so first right now let me select this and let me bring them down to show you again. Okay, now see here what has happened. Now I need to finish this one. Here in object snap I have selected endpoint, midpoint and tangent. Okay, now I will just go and select the line command. Okay, the moment I select the line command, come here, already see there is a green circle. Click there, come here, click, enter. Again right click, repeat line. Just go here, come here, click. Again go to, select the line command, go here, more than half you will just get it. See here, enter. Then again select, click on this one, come close to it, click, it is taken. And then again another line you want, come to the middle point, somewhere near the middle, see it already selected. So what happened now? Since you have already selected, CAD knows that these object snaps are there, and when once it approaches any one of the lines and if it finds that it is the endpoint, it will catch that. If it is almost near the mid, it will catch the midpoint. So this way, by having the running object snaps, you can very easily and quickly finish your work. Thank you very much for watching this video.